Hi everyone! Today tuturuan ko kayo ng factoring quadratic trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c where a is equal to 1. Siya nga pala, yung a natin, that is the this one, that is the numerical coefficient of x squared. B naman is the numerical coefficient of x. At yung c natin is the constant. O, ayan. Ano nga ba ang numerical coefficient? Yan yung number na katabi ng x squared. Ito naman yung b, yung number na katabi ng x. At yung c natin, alam natin, that is always a constant and a number. Okay? Okay. Halimbawa, given x squared plus 3x plus 2, this is a quadratic trinomial. Trinomial kasi 3 terms. Tapos quadratic because of the second degree equation. Paano natin nasabing second degree? The highest exponent is 2. Ayan, very visible naman. Okay, so bago tayo mag-factor, identify muna natin yung values ng a, b, and c from the given example. So, x squared plus 3x plus 2, ang value ng a natin dito is equal to, okay, of course, 1. At ang b naman natin dito ay equals to 3. At ang c naman natin dito ay equals to 2. Okay? So, by the way, baka magtaka kayo. X squared. X squared lang yan. Sasabihin nyo, ako, sir, wala naman nakalagay na, wala naman siya katabing numero. Kapag ganyan ang given, it's automatically has an imaginary numerical coefficient of 1. Okay? Understood yan. So, kapag x squared lang, automatic, the value of your a here is 1. Okay, okay. So, simulan na natin yung factoring yan. So, we have already identified the value of a, which is 1, the value of b, which is 3, and the value of c, which is 2. So, kapag ganyan, at ang value ng a natin is equivalent to 1, automatically, write down na natin yung two factors. Factors ng ng x squared. That is x times x. Okay? Yan. X times x. So, that is our first initial or our initial solution. Ang gagawin natin na lang yan ay hahanapin natin yung mga numbers or expressions na ilalagay natin or ipapartner natin sa x na yan to get the factor of this whole trinomials. So, kung mapapansin nyo, my dear students, mayroon ako ditong isang malaking x which is partitioned into 4 regions. Okay? So, explain ko sa inyo paano natin gagamitin isang malaking x na yan na divided into 4 regions. Okay? So, here, sa region na ito, ang ilalagay natin dyan ay yung factors or ay the expressions ng a times c. Okay? Samantalang sa baba naman na portion, ang ilalagay nating expression dyan is the b. So, pag sinabi nating a times c, that is simply 1 times 2. Value ng a which is 1, value ng c which is 2. So, ilalagay natin dyan 1 times 2. 1 times 2 you have, okay, 2 here. Tapos, b naman natin, the value of your b is, ayun, 3. So, lagay na lang natin dyan automatically 3. Ngayon, tatanungin nyo ako, Sir Jomel, ano ilalagay natin number dito sa dalawang region na wala pa? Simple lang. Hanapan natin ng factor yung 2. Na kung saan, yung factors na gagamitin natin for 2, okay, kailangan has a sum of 3. Okay? So, ano yun? Okay. So, we have 1 and 2. Bakit? 1 times 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Para mas malinaw sa inyo, itong sa baba, this is now the sum. At yung sa taas natin, this is now the, dito ka na lang ilalagay, the product. Okay? The product. So, again, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So, mayroon na tayong sagot. Ano yung sagot natin dyan? The positive 1, that's 1. So, ilalagay ko lang yan dito, plus 1. Tapos, yung 2 natin dito, plus 2. So, now, we have now the factors of x squared plus 3x plus 2, which is, or which are, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. Now, let's have another example. So, let's say x squared minus 9x plus 18. So, again, we have to identify first the values of a. So, again, the value of a natin dito is 1. The value of b natin dito is negative 9. And the value of c here is 18. And again, kapag ang value ng a natin is 1, automatically isulat na natin yung first factors, x, and then x. Hahanapin na lang natin yung ipapartner natin sa x na yan to complete the factors of x squared minus 9x plus 18. And of course, using this big x partitioned into 4 regions. Okay? So again, dito, ang ilalagay natin dito ay yung AC. At sa baba is yung B. So ano yung value ng AC natin? 1 times 18. So we have 18. At yung B naman natin dito is negative 9. Okay. So, medyo, tricky kasi we have the negative 9. But the product here is 18. So, ano ngayon yung factors ng 18 na gagamitin natin na once in-add natin will have a result of negative 9? Okay. So, we have negative 3 and negative 6. Why? Negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. Negative 3 plus negative 6 is negative 9. So again, this is now your product. Okay, this is the product. Itong portion na ito. At itong portion na to dito sa baba ay the sum. Okay, so again, negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. Negative 3 plus negative 6, you have negative 9. So, we have now the factors, the negative 3, tapos, yung negative 6. Okay? So, the factors of x squared minus 9x plus 18 are x minus 3 and x minus 6. Okay. Para mas malino pa ulit, dagdagan pa natin ng another example. So, again, x squared minus 2x minus 24. Ang value ng a natin dito here is 1. B natin dito is negative 2. At ang c natin dito is negative 24. Oh, come on. May mga negative na yung b, negative pa yung c. But don't be afraid of that. Napakadali lang yan. Okay, so again. So, AC natin sa baba, or I mean dito sa portion na ito, AC. So, the value of a is 1 times negative 24. So, we have negative 24. Tapos, sa baba naman natin, B. The value of B here is negative 2. Now, we think of the factors of negative 24. Isip tayo ng factors ng negative 24 na kapag in-add naman natin, ang sagot ay negative 2. Ano yung dalawang factors na yun? Okay. So, we have negative 6 and positive 4. Bakit negative 6 and positive 4 ang ginamit natin? Kasi, negative 6 times positive 4 is negative 24. Tapos, pag inad naman natin, negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Okay? So, again, the factors of x squared minus 2x minus 24. Oh, come on. Nakalimutan pala natin ilagay automatic dito yung x. Okay? Yan. Yung two factors of x squared. So, again, we have the negative 6 and the positive 4. Okay. Now, this time, ang negative lang ay yung c value natin. So, again, identify muna natin yung value ng a. A here is 1. B here is 3. At ang c natin here is negative 10. And automatically, Since a is 1, we have 2 factors of x squared. We have the x times x agad. Lagay nyo dyan. Hanapin na lang natin yung ipapartner natin si x na yan using this big X. Okay? So, again, AC dito sa taas, B naman sa baba. A mo value is 1, C value is negative 10. So, lagay natin dito is negative 10. Why? 1 times negative 10 is negative 10. And then, ang B natin is 3. Ayun, lagay mo dyan 3. So, ano yung factors ng negative 10 na pag pinagsama natin or inadd natin? Ang sagot ay 3. Okay? O, isip-isip. We have, okay, since positive 3 yan, we have 5 and 2. So, lalagay ko dito ngayon yung negative sign sa 2. Kasi kapag minultiply natin yan, 5 times negative 2, we have negative 10. 5 plus negative 2, the answer is 3. Okay? So, we have now the factors 5, positive 5, and negative 2. And that's it.